Bonjour, my name is Baptiste. I had the chance to travel all around the world over the past decade and taste so many different flavors. For this movie, I want to find the best tapas in the Spanish Basque Country. And of course, all the food specialties besides. And trust me, it's delicious there. But wait, let's establish some rules to make this trip more adventurous. First, no internet assistance. Let's engage in conversations with locals. 2. Let's try to find local hosts for accommodation. 3. Let's cycle for this trip. Now let's embark on this food adventure together. Come with me and be hungry. In the previous chapter, we went to San Sebastian, ate so many delicious tapas, met amazing people, and we are still looking for the best tapas. Mamma mia! Now we are heading to a cider factory to understand more about this local drink. The only issue is our two maps. They are not precise enough. Let's try anyway. First stop Hernani, it's quite close, and let's ask over there. I know right now you are wondering why cider and not because they drank that all the night yesterday. That's also the plan, but tomorrow. Going to Hernani is not complicated, and I have to stop to buy something at the pharmacy. Just besides, I see a beautiful store front with stunning pastries. That's how you talk to me.
Buenos días. Fuimos al lado a la farmacia y vimos eso.
Y hojas.
¿Es una cosa local de aquí?
Sí.
Ah.
Desde 1850. Mis hijas de la sexta generación.
¿Cuál es dentro?
Crema y mermelada.
Mermelada de...
Albaricoque.
¿Tienen otras especialidades aquí?
Este está muy rico también.
¿Y cómo se llama eso?
Juanita.
¿Cuál es dentro?
Crema pastelera.
¿Crema también?
Sí.
Vamos a probar...
Bueno, especialidades de esta casa, ¿eh? Ahí no vais a encontrar hojaldre como este.
Tenemos mucha suerte, solamente aquí.
Y aquí hacen todo casero.
It's very light. Not much cream actually.
The noise.
Crispy, light. Not much cream compared to the French one, which is very heavy. Lucky. We are lucky.
Christmas cake. It's like creme brulee on top.
Creme brulee?
Creme brulee.
They are so nice. They offer us a pass cake and help us to find a cider factory in the next village. But finding the cider factory is not that easy. We need to ask to some people to find it because we are lost without internet assistance. But after a few persons, finally, we found it. And we are lucky again. We have a little tour and explanation. But do you know how to make cider? It's pretty simple. First, you need the flour. Then the apple grow. Then you collect it, clean them, grind them, press them, and let the juice fermentate in barrels. That's so simple. And then you can taste it, of course.
Sin dos deditos.
Bueno, perfecto.
¿Vale? Y para hacer el cambio de vaso esperas con uno detrás de otro y así cuando se sacas de primero, le queda el segundo. 1, 2 y...
Wow. ¿Y cuándo debo cambiar?
Ahora,
¿Ahora?
más o menos.
Eso, mira.
Y por ahí.
Gracias. Vamos a probar eso.
Y debería saber diferente porque es diferente mezcla de manzanas.
Diferente manzana.
Y proveniencia también. Esta tiene manzana de Bretaña.
¿De Bretaña? ¿De Francia?
Sí.
¿Así? ¡Francia!
So it's like 20%.
Eso es, el 20% manzana dulce de Bretaña y 80% manzana ácida de Guipúzcoa.
¿Dónde está eso?
Eso, Guipúzcoa es esta provincia.
Es una mezcla de Francia y España.
Eso.
Lo siento.
Para nosotros. Entonces. It's more sweet, less bitter. Try it. It's different. The one before it was very dry and like acid, bitter, sour. And this one is a bit more sweet.
Okay. And you know that you can have amazing food in a cider mill. In the Basque Country, at the beginning of the 20th century, cider traders were coming with their snack. But cider mill had everything for lunch. dry cod stored in the attics with the apples, cattle and sheep in the stables, walnut trees in the garden. Some cider mill launch a menu with farm products during January to April when fermentation of the cider is over. And trust me, it's delicious. You can ask for the menu. It's always the same with unlimited cider. We didn't know what we're gonna have, to be honest. First, we have chorizo with bread, like appetizer. Second, a salt-cold omelette.
It smells like the sea. With bacalao. Still, again.
This is the perfect omelette. Not to cook, juicy inside. Amazing. Amazing.
Third, fried cod with pepper. Fourth, T-bone steak or grilled egg. We took both because we had two. We split. And finally, Ijaza bal cheese, king's jelly, walnuts, tera and cigarillo biscuits.
So we just finished the taberna. So many food, like they eat too much in Spain. Definitely it's outrageous. It's so much. But it was delicious. Nothing to say about that. And right now we're just too full to cycle and it's very hot outside. And we're gonna go to Tolosa to discover the biscuit we had, try to find the recipe. See you and wish us good luck. Bye bye.
We did not love for long. Tolosa is not that far, 25 kilometers, but we don't know at all the region. And as you know, our maps are not precise enough. It's not flat too. We get lost so many times, but thankfully people helped us. They are very nice here. And surprise, we even have a big road. Be careful, sometimes you don't know it happens. Finally, after 2 hours, yes, 2 hours to do 25 kilometers. That's it when you don't have Google Maps. We arrived in Tolosa, a small village in the middle of the valley. It's very cute with so many shops and the city lives, that's nice. We are also so thirsty, so the first thing we need is water before the biscuit.
Don't comment.
Wow.
Then I ask to the waiters.
Tengo una pregunta. Estamos buscando Eceiza. ¿Solo aquí?
China, ¿cómo pone Eceiza?
Ah, sí, es muy cerca. Ah, perfecto, gracias.
Te he dicho bomba frita de crema y prueba se llaman cigarrillos
Cigarrillo, sí.
y teja.
Teja. Salud, ouais.
Unfortunately, the owners are not here. The employee tells us to come back tomorrow morning at 7:30. Hopefully we will have something to learn tomorrow. Now it's time to find accommodation and I'm honest with you, in this trip we didn't try to find local hosts, we are exhausted. They give us the contact of an hotel, so we go there, but unlucky. There is no one. We don't know where are they, so we are trying to find another hotel. We go there and unlucky again. Fully booked. At least they gave us a map. And we can try the last one, the third hotel, finger crossed. And it's also fully booked. Wow, what's going on here in this city? They gave us the phone number of the first one and let's try to call them.
Hola, buenas tardes. En 3 minutos regresamos. Gracias. Hasta luego.
Finally a good news, but not the best spot. It looks like the hotel in Shining. Weird as... The floor is bending too. After a shower, let's find the best tapas in town and of course some chacoli. First stop at Orbela. We taste few. Et c'est bon. Different from yesterday. Not amazing, but it's good. Then we went to another place. It's also good, but not as good as yesterday, to be honest. I will give you the rank at the end. Let's see if there is a surprise. And then, all this food, we just go to sleep, because tomorrow we have an early meeting. We are lucky. The granddaughter is here to explain us these secrets. Yummy.
A ver, nosotros lo que hacemos es la bomba de crema, esta es la chantilly y de nata. Las que más se venden son las de crema y luego la de chantilly, que es verdad que solo se conoce en Tolosa o un poco Tolosa aldea.
Oh. Oh, yeah, but it's a donut. It's a donut. It's a donut. It's a good donut. It's a really good donut.
La teja y cigarrillo, ¿vale? La teja y cigarrillo es un postre que originalmente el propietario de Asador Casa Julián le pidió a mi abuelo en este caso que quería pues un postre de calidad que no fuese pesado. Creó eso, la teja y cigarrillo. La teja viene a ser una pasta donde predomina el sabor a la almendra en entero.
Of course we tasted and they were delicious, better than yesterday. And right now, this is the end of this chapter. We discovered so many things around cider and came here to find the biscuits, and we're still looking for the best tapas. But this is gonna be for the next chapter. The rank didn't change, to be honest. Still the same, and let's see next week if there is something better. Thanks for watching this episode. If you are here, it probably means that you enjoy it. If you want to support this project without effort, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And see you next week for the next chapter.